Morning guys, Matt from Gold Coast Plumbing Experts here. We're on site today in Arundel at a retirement sort of village, I guess, and we are busy sorting out a customer's issue with her rain water tank. She had one of these rain to main converters, converting it from town water to rainwater on a rainwater tank. It was completely corroded. Morning, how are you? Good. This is the old one, the old control unit, completely severed and just all corroded and just stopped working. So she was just running on town water for ages. So we're going to replace this unit for her, and yeah, we'll let you know how it goes. Hey guys, Matt again from Gold Coast Plumbing Experts. We've finished putting in the system here. So we've got it coming off water mains, tank water, as automatic rainwater controller. So it's switching between the toilets in the house and the garden taps and the laundry, all coming from the rainwater tank in there. So any issues with rainwater tanks, any of your rain to main water switching devices or pump sets, just give us a ring.
Call Gold Coast Plumbing Experts on 1300 600 632.